So it's Monday morning. It's like August, what, 12th or something? I don't know. But we're starting grad school today, so I'm excited. So I figure I should kind of vlog what this whole process is gonna be like, what it's gonna mean for me to be in school again, since I haven't been to school in 3 years. But now we're going back because, you know, upper baccalaureate degrees are a thing now. So we're about to get it on and popping. We're orientation right now for the next 3-ish hours. Thank you, Shade. Yes. So we're gonna get this, all right? Day 1 of being a grad student is done. Orientation went well. We had to take a test, a diagnostic test. It's not graded, but still it's a little bit stressful just because I haven't thought about some of these things like tonalities and modes and all these things for a long time. So now we're back with the old stuff, but yeah. All right, it's time for lunch and I gotta eat. All right, bye. Y'all, it is a fine and dandy Tuesday afternoon. It's kind of hot right now though, but I'm excited because of 2 things, 3 things, 5 things, whatever. 1, there's a way to revise my student financial aid because I put the wrong number, so that's good. 2, just got my image back from the photo shoot, of which I will share probably soon. It looks bomb as like, y'all, this photo is just powerful. It's powerful. 3, I gotta go see Dr. Marche. 4, we got my office key for my GTA office, so that's really cool. So I'm gonna be, I have a place to put all my stuff. I have my own little studio on campus, so that'll be nice. What else? I'm just happy right now. It's hot out here, but it's okay, because we smiling and grinning. So yeah, that's gonna be what life is like right now. Today is a good smiley day. Things are turning around. We gotta get over this anxiety. My anxiety keeps coming back too. I get this weird feeling where I don't want to do stuff, and it's just like, why I do it, it's gonna mess up, or why I do it because it takes energy. I just need to get over that. I need to constantly remind myself that I can do things. So yeah. But yeah, we'll see. I'll talk to y'all later. Every time I've been at WSU this week, it's just raining. There was lightning back there and everything. I don't know what's going on. Okay, we practicing again because we really gotta try and get this stuff learned. At first I wasn't really feeling this WSO audition, but I might as well do the damn thing, so we gonna do it. Yeah, but it's raining again. We gonna do some timpani, some probably the bell stuff because we need to get that stuff learned, and the vibe stuff, and the xylophone stuff, and the bass drum stuff. We're gonna do all the stuff today. We're gonna do everything, okay? Everything. So, yeah. Can we just talk about this photo for a second? I like this so much I have to use this as my desktop for my computer. But y'all, the photo from the photo shoot I did Sunday just came out so good. Like, I can't stop looking at it. I just can't. Like, just wow. Like, look at I just looks. Stay on your diet. Hit that gym. And you're gonna get to where you want to get to. I'm telling you, it may be sooner, it may be later, but you're gonna get there. You just gotta stay consistent, be dedicated, and be committed to your goal. That's all I got. That's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. Okay, so what's gonna happen? What are we gonna do moving forward? Right now, I still don't know. I am gonna say that I think for now, I'm not gonna post until I can get my life in order. Not to say that it's out of order. Don't worry, I'm good. Just I just want to figure everything out and make sure that we are on the right track, because I got to figure out what school, how that schedule's gonna work, and I may need to be in a hyper-focused mode, which I can do. I just don't know if I want to do that and still try to fulfill my responsibility, but the task of doing the YouTube channel. So for the time being, this is a notice that I will be uploading sporadically and not regularly. So it'll just be what it'll be. It may be on I'll probably still try to keep the uploads to Mondays, but I'm not sure if it'll be every week. I'll probably mostly vlog, I think, for the most part, just about my experience with grad school and how it's going. But I think for hair videos and stuff, I'm just gonna take a break from that because it's just time consuming. And I think I just want to take a little break, you know. I think it's a good time to do that, you know. With school starting, maybe this won't be such a bad thing. So yeah, there's that. Other news. What other news? Photo shoot, like I said, that was great, amazing. Can't wait to get more photos of that. There is still time. If you haven't watched that video about my Smile Brilliant, teeth whitening kit, go check on that video because there is a link for a free gift if you want it. I mean, if you don't, that's cool too. But there is a thing in there. There's coupon codes also in the description box for discounts off of their website as well. So check those things out. But yeah, that's it. That's it. I think we'll end this vlog here. Tomorrow I have my second orientation for being a graduate teaching assistant. So hopefully there's some information in there that I need to know. Hopefully it's not boring, or I might just leave. I don't know, but we'll see. It's been nice not working too. Like since I went from full-time to part-time at my church job, I hadn't worked to go to the office today. I didn't go Tuesday. I don't have to go tomorrow. I do have rehearsals, so hopefully that'll go well. But as far as everything else, just chilling. So yeah. Well, alright. I'll see you later. Watch that last video up there. Playlist of more stuff there. And always, subscribe if you want to. So I will see y'all later. Hopefully sooner than later, but I'll just keep it locked, alright? Peace.